Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the rate of change indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the rate of change indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everybody to see. So to date, we have tested 39 indicators. And out of those 39 indicators, 12 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of these 12 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the market with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those 12 indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us as we work on maximizing your trading profits. So, as I said, today we will be testing the rate of change indicator. So, the rate of change indicator is a zero line cross. So, we have the blue line, which is the rate of change, and then we have the black dotted line, which indicates the zero line. And as zero line indicators go, when the blue line crosses down below the zero line, that is a sell signal, a signal to go short. And when it crosses up above, that is a buy signal, a signal to go long. And that is how we will be testing the indicator today. Of course, we are on a random pair, and we have picked a random year to test. And of course, we have the take profit and stop loss designated by the ATR. We have a whole video explaining how all that works. If you are not sure what I mean by that, you can go back and watch that video. We have our first trade, and that trade was a winner. So we are going to keep plugging along here, looking for more trade signals. Looks like we got one here, which was a loss, and then we picked up another one here, which was also a loss, unfortunately. Then we got this one here, and it does look like we got the 60%, or the 60 pips that we were looking for there. So that is going to be a winner. And we definitely got the 60 pips on this one. And so that one is also going to be a winner. So far, not too bad. Let's see what the rest of the year can give us here. Hopefully we can get a few more wins in here. We are about midway through the year now. Seems to be doing a relatively decent job. It's catching some really good price action here on some of these, uptrends and downtrend sections. It does have its moments where it, goes a little spazzy and spikes in and out, whipsaws a little bit there, but not too bad at the moment. We'll keep moving along here and see what else it can do. We are almost to the end of the year now. We're getting pretty close. There's a few more signals to finish up here. Then we'll tally them up. And it's a shame because it's looking like this one might not meet the 60%. It has its moments where it does really good. I mean, a good majority of the time it does really good. Then it has just these kind of random moments where it just gets blown apart by this whipsaw in and out, in and out, in and out. So like I said, it's a shame because it catches some really good trends, and if we had some way to filter out those bad, whipsaw ranging areas, then this one might actually be able to achieve something reasonably decent, but I don't think it was able to do it on this one. Let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So 43 signals. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So yeah, unfortunately this one is not going to make the cut. And like I said, it's a shame because it was calling some really good movements. I mean, when the Forex pair moves, it's calling those movements pretty well. It's when it hits this ranging market where things just start chopping up and down that it really does just get torn to pieces. So yeah, I mean, another instance of a indicator that could be really good, but its weaknesses outweigh the strengths. So, yep, like I said, this one's going on the no list. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.